In this question, a manufacturer makes two products A and B. Product A sells at rupees 200 each and takes half hour to make. Product B sells at rupees 300 each and takes 1 hour to make. There is a permanent order for 14 of product A and 16 of product B. A working week consists of 40 hours of production and the weekly turnover must not be less than rupees 10,000. If the profit on each of the product A is rupees 20 and on product B is rupees 30, then how many of each should be produced so that the profit is maximum? Also find the maximum profit. So our objective function is P equal to the profit for product A is rupees 20 per product and 30 for product B. So the profit function is 20x plus 30y. Number of products of A and Y, number of products of B. Now the constraints are product A takes half hour to make and product B takes 1 hour to make, and there is a working week consists of 40 hours of production. And the weekly turnover must not be less than 10,000. So our constraints are half x plus y should be less than or equal to 40 and weekly turnover should be more than 10,000. That means 200x plus 300y should be greater than 10,000. And it is also given that there is a permanent order for 14 products of A and 16 products of B. That means there are two more constraints, that are x should be greater than or equal to 14 and y should be greater than or equal to 16. The constraints are plotted on a coordinate system. The blue line represents this equation and the red line represents this equation. And the green line represents this constraint, this equation, y is equal to 16 and x is equal to 14. So the intersection points are 1433, 1424 and 2616, 4816. The maximum profit occurs at the corners of the feasible region. Here this shaded region is the feasible region. So the maximum profit occurs at the corners of the feasible region. So it occurs at 1433 or 1424 or 2616 or 4816. Since here the profit is given by 20x plus 30y, the profit is maximum at either at this point or at this point. So at this point the profit is P 14, 24 equal to 20 into 14 plus 30 into 24. That is the maximum profit occurs at either at this point or at this point. So here it should be P 1433 equal to 20 into 14 plus 30 into 33. This is equal to 280 plus 990. This is equal to 0, 7, 12 rupees. The profit at this point, at this corner is P 48, 16. This is equal to 20 into 48 plus 30 into 16. This is equal to 960 plus 480 equal to 64 rupees. Therefore, the maximum profit is rupees 1440. And the number of products of A manufactured should be equal to 48 and number of products of B should be equal to 60. That is our answer. Maximum profit is this one, number of products of A is this one, and number of products of B is this one.